Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase data ethics awareness with DataRobot, full guide step by step clearly. To increase data ethics awareness with DataRobot, start by understanding the concept of data ethics. Research the key principles of data ethics, such as transparency, accountability, and fairness. Identify the specific data ethics challenges your organization faces. Gather relevant resources, including articles, case studies, and best practices. Create an engaging presentation to share these insights with your team. Schedule a meeting to introduce the topic of data ethics. Encourage an open discussion about current data practices and potential ethical dilemmas. Use real-world examples to illustrate the impact of ethical versus unethical data usage. Collaboratively establish a set of data ethics guidelines tailored to your organization. Integrate these guidelines into your existing data governance framework. Leverage DataRobot's tools to implement ethical data practices effectively. Organize training sessions for employees to deepen their understanding of data ethics. Provide ongoing support and resources for team members to reference. Regularly evaluate your organization's adherence to these ethical standards. Solicit feedback from your team to identify areas for improvement. Foster a culture of ethical data usage by recognizing and rewarding good practices. Lastly, ensure that data ethics remains a regular topic in team meetings and discussions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.